Hello everyone, welcome to Career Beat and myself Mohan. At this session also we are going to discuss one of the challenging questions related to time, speed and distance. So if you want to practice it by yourself, then pause the video, work it for some time, then again play the video. Else we shall start solving now itself. See, we have the question, Ram and Syam runs a race of 2000 meter. First, Ram gives Syam a start of 200 meter and beats him by 30 seconds. Next, Ram gives Syam a lead of 3 minutes and gets beaten by 1000 meters. What is the time in minutes in which Ram and Syam can run the race separately? So we have two cases in the same question. So first, Ram and Syam are running a 2000-meter race. So we can take this is the 2000-meter race, right? So from this point to this point, it is a 2000 meter. Now, what is our first case? Ram gives Syam a start of 200 meter and beats him by 30 seconds. So first, Ram is permitting Syam to run for 200 meters separately. After that, Ram is start running, and finally, Ram is winning the race by 30 seconds. So this is given in the first case. So first, Syam alone is running for 200 meters. After that, Ram also started running. Now, after Ram completing this 2000 meter, Syam is covering this 2000 meter after 30 seconds, Ram covering the distance. Right, so at last 30 seconds, Syam alone is running. Okay, now Syam is covering this distance and we don't know what is the distance, so we can keep it as D. So during the same time only, Ram is covering the entire 2000 meter. Right, so Syam covers this distance D meters in T minutes or T seconds, whatever it is. During the same time, Ram is covering the entire journey 2000 meters. Okay, now this is our first case. So in this case, we can keep speed of Syam as S meters per minute. Right, so S meter per minute is speed of this Syam. So in last 30 seconds, Syam alone is running, right? So what is the distance? So in 1 minute, Ram can cover S meters. So in 30 seconds, that is in half minutes, Syam can cover how many meters? So that is 30 into, okay, so we can convert the seconds to minutes. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 30 seconds means half a minute, right? So it is S into 0.5. So with the speed S meter per minute, Syam is running for 0.5 minutes. So let this question mark be S into 0.5. Okay, now with this we will try to form an equation. Okay, now time taken by Syam to cover the distance D is nothing but T seconds or T minutes. Okay, so we can take it as T minutes. During the same T minutes, Ram is covering this 2000 meters, right? So time equal to distance by speed. Let the time taken by Ram to cover this 2000 meter be T. So during the same time, Syam is covering the distance D meter, right? So T equal to, okay, we know already Syam is covered 200 meters, right? So remaining, Syam have to cover only 1800 meters. So in this 1800 meters, we know this part is S into 0.5. So this distance is S into 0.5. So subtract S into 0.5, right? And Syam is covering this distance in with the speed S meters per minute. So we framed a equation with the help of first statement. Now moving to second statement. Ram gives Syam a lead of 3 minutes. That means Ram is permitting Syam to run for 3 minutes and gets beaten by 1000 meter. So in the second race, Ram get beaten by Syam in 1000 meters itself. That means Syam is winning the race. So first Ram is permitting Syam to run for 3 minutes, right? So in 3 minutes, Syam would have covered how many meters? So we assume Syam's speed is S meter per minute. So in 3 minutes, Syam would have covered 3 into S meters, right? Okay. Now after this, Ram started running. But during the same time, Syam is beating Ram by 1000 meters. That means Ram have covered only 1000 meters, right? So this is Syam and this one is Ram. Now again, we are trying to frame a new equation with the help of second case. Okay, in second case, Ram have covered only 1000 meters, but in first case, Ram have covered 2000 meters. So in first case, if Ram's time is t minutes, in second case, Ram's time will be only half of the t minutes, right? So we can take it as t by 2 minutes. That is half of the t minutes, right? So it is t by 2 minutes. So time equal to distance by speed. Okay, so in second case, right? So in second case, like we know it is totally 2000 meters. So in this 2000 meters, so Sam have covered this distance in 2 by t by 2 minutes, because during the same time Ram have covered 1000 meters, right? So let this distance be d. Now we are going to find this distance. We know it is completely 2000 meters. So it is 2000 minus, we know this is 3 into s, right? So subtract this 3 into s, and Sam is covering this distance in with the speed s meter per minute. Okay, now we have two equations here. So equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now substitute this equation number 1 in equation 2. We will get time taken by Syam to cover the distance. Okay, I'm substituting equation number 1 in equation number 2, so that I'm getting 1800 minus 0.5 s divided by, so instead of this t, I'm keeping this t. Okay, so I get 2s equal to 2000 minus 3s divided by s. So s get cancelled. So if you solve it, you get the value of s, right? So that is speed of this Syam, right? So while solving it, I get 1800 minus 0.5 s equal to 4000 minus, so 6s, right? So 5.5 s equivalent to 2200. So what is the value of s? So value of s equal to 2200 by 5.5. So what we get? So 2200 by 5.5. So I can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So I get 22,000 by 55. So if I solve this, I get 2005. So again, this, it will be 400 meters per minute. So Syam could cover 400 meters in 1 minute, right? So Syam can able to cover the complete 2000 meters in how many minutes? So it is 2000 by 400 meters per minute. So if you cancel it, we get 5 minutes. So Syam can cover the complete 2000 meters in 5 minutes. So what they are asking us to find? So find the time taken in minutes in which Ram and Syam can run the race separately. So Syam can cover the complete 2000 meters in 5 minutes. Now, we know speed of Syam is 400 meters per minute, right? Okay, so in 1 minute, Syam can cover 400 meters. This is what we have found in the case, right? So in first case, Syam alone ran for 0.5 seconds to cover the race at last, right? Okay, now we identify speed of the Syam is 400. So 400 into 0.5, we get 200 meter. So 200 meter is the distance covered by Syam at last 30 seconds. So initially he ran for 200 meters. At last he ran for 200 meters. Then this D is nothing but 1600 meters. Now the time taken by Syam to cover this 1600 meters and Ram to cover this 2000 meter, both are equal, right? Okay. Now we can find time taken by Syam to cover this distance 1600 meter. So 1600 meter is the distance covered by Syam with the speed 400 meter per minute. So if we solve this, we get 4, right? So 4 minutes is the time taken by Syam to cover this 1600 meter. Now during the same time, Ram cover this 2000 meter, right? So Ram can cover this 2000 meter in 4 minutes and Syam can cover this 2000 meter in 5 minutes. So this becomes our answer. Hope you understood the problem, right? So in upcoming session, I will come with some other different challenging question. Until that, stay connected with Career Training Solutions. So if you follow some other different tactics, please try to put it in comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.